Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. This is a package from ZenPlus. ZenPlus is a marketplace where different stores, it looks like, are there. It's part of the whole ZenPop thing. There's ZenPop, which are subscription boxes. Zen Market, where you can say, I want to buy this thing, and they'll find it for you and send it to you from Japan. Or what ZenPlus looks like is almost like eBay, and they have different sellers with different items on there. And they wanted me to try out something, and I picked something, and here it is. So let's crack it open and have a look. So here's what I picked. This is a special, it mentioned something about it being an Apudo birthday box, but I think that had more of like, this is something you might give somebody on their birthday. Actually, today is my birthday. My birthday's on Pi Day. But yeah. Anyways, this looks interesting. I didn't quite know exactly what would be going on here, but I know that this is a fancy tonkatsu. Let's slide it out of the box. This is really fancy packaging. Slide that out. Wow. And then inside of this opens. This is really, oh wow. So these look to be kind of like the souvenir boxes. Oh wow, there's two of each. So I'm guessing these are all different tonkatsu varieties. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Maybe they're all tonkatsu. I'm not sure, but this is pretty, wow, high-end, fancy ramen. And they packaged it really nicely. I mean, there's two. There was regular bubble wrap and this bubble sheet stuff, and it came in perfect condition. So yeah, you should check out ZenPlus if this is the kind of thing that floats your boat. There'll be a link that they gave me in there. I don't know if there's like a special deal with that. I'll ask them. You can check the post, and I'll put something in the description for the video. But yeah, I'll be reviewing this stuff pretty quick once I figure out what it all is. It looks really neat. Thank you very much to the folks over at ZenPlus. Yeah, check them out. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.